So the recent Indian stock market perform the recent Indian stock market performance as of October 8, 2025 shows recovery with the Sensex up 227 points at about 82,153 and Nifty around 25,158. Major sectors except consumer durables and IT are trading slightly down, with realty, telecom, media and PSU banks dropping between 0.5 to 1%. However, the IT sector stocks are up by 1.18%. Broader market like mid cap and small cap indices are down by 0.5% each. Stocks like Titan, Tata Investment Corporation, TCS, Tata Motors, and ICICI Bank are among the most active on the NSE. Important market happening including Tata Trust and Tata Group's government crisis discussions with government official impacting Tata Sons and its conglomerate functioning. Also, IPO subscription windows for Tata Capital and IG Electronics India are closing while TCS and Tata Elxsi start the earnings season soon. SEBI Indian market regulator has overhauled the FNO regulation to book risk monitoring and market alignment, implementing new positions limits and real-time surveillance effective mid 2025. The enhances transparency and reduces speculative risk in derivative trading. For a stock market news, uh, mm, let's start with the broad market overview as of October 8, 2025. Diving deeper into sectors. Okay. As always, investors should exercise caution. Stock market are subjected to risk and past performance is not an indicator of future results. Considering your risk appetite and investment horizontally carefully. Important. This program is for informational purpose only. I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor or intermediary. This content should be not be construct construed as investment advice or a recommendation to buy or sell securities. Please consult a SEBI registered professional before making any investment decisions. That's all for today market update. Stay tuned to this channel for regular updates and expert insights. Thank you for your watching and remember always invest wisely and stay informed. Okay, yeah.